What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Triston today, bringing you another video. But in this video today, we're going to be going over something with my tires. So if you guys see here, like how my tire truck is like all blacked out. What is the blacked out package I got? But today I'm going to only be coloring the tiring of like the word lettering of the tires. So just a couple days ago, I bought a few tire markers. I got it very cheap at Walmart for like $3. So what we're going to be doing today is going to be just coloring them away. So right now, if you look at them, they're just straight black. So like if you look over there, it's just black, like black on black. And right now they're a bit dirty. Don't worry, I'm actually gonna wash my truck later. But I'm just gonna do this first, see how it turns out. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is all the lettering. See here, like it's all blacked out. We're gonna just color it all in white. So like the Goodyear and the Wrangler SRAs, the only lettering part we're gonna color. Everything else is gonna be the same. So that being said, we're gonna get started to it. So stay tuned. Alright, so now we're about to get started. I'm going to start with like a small portion of it, if you guys can see. I'm going to start with like the SR and the A. So you guys see what it looks like. So I'm just letting you know, it is like a chalk, so it's not really like a marker, just so you know. So we're going to start with the A. So make sure it's all clean off dusty here. I just drove that long ago. So here. There we go. So I hope you guys remember, like in school, to tell you, make sure you stay between the lines. Exactly what it is here. And
I'm different, so I don't color between the lines.
So yeah, it looks like it's more so like not even a chalk, more so like a
pastel.
I want to say something like that, yeah. So like get in there, make sure it's all even.
I remember pastels back in elementary. I love using them.
Yeah, those are fun. There we go. Yeah, sorry right now my color is not the greatest, but hey.
Perfection is overrated, my friend.
It is, but we just try and do what makes it work. Funny
how we were just talking about perfection being overrated. We were trying to perfect the whole recording process of this video.
Yeah. Alright. So that's how the A came out right now. Because again, it's not really like again, it is a cheap marker or pastel marker. So that being said, I'm gonna do all of them and then show you guys what it looks like after. So stay tuned. Alright, so if you guys see how it looks, I'm like very dirty right now, but it is what it is, you know. Work hard, play hard. But yeah, I'm gonna have you guys take a look at it. Again, it's not the greatest job. Again, $3 marker. So yeah, take a look. So yeah, it's kind of hard to do. One thing I recommend, if you're gonna do it, don't do what I did on the literally side of the curve. I am gonna touch it up over again on some places because some parts are hard to reach. Like if you look at Wrangler, the W and the R and the A. Not the greatest, but if I get a tire flip, it'd be good. So yeah, so hope you guys like like the concept of the idea. What I'm gonna do is eventually I am going to go on Amazon, get an actual better one, actually an actual paint one, and do it and just redo over this. So that being said, hope you guys like this little video. I'm going to show you the rest. All right, so now we're back. Like I promised, I got the car washed, and see how it looks right now. But like I said, let you know, I did mention at the beginning, so again, it's not gonna be the greatest. Again, I only bought the Marcus for $3, and you can see here is like after the wash, that kind of like smeared it in a bit, but also kind of like rubbed it off. But again, like I said, I'm not surprised about the how it turned out, just because one, it's $3. So what definitely gonna do is I'm gonna look back online, see if I can get some quality paint markers and redo it in, just fill it in on the spots that have been covered. Other than that, clean truck. Actually looks pretty nice. Looks like a freaking race truck. And yeah, and you also get to see better shot of the bullet that we did in our last video. So if you have any more questions, put them in the comments or actually write down in the comments what you guys think about the truck, or if you have any recommendations about which markers I should get or paint markers I should get, because right now I'm just looking at Amazon probably like for best quality but also a fair price. That being said, let me know. But yeah, that's gonna end the video here. If you guys have more questions, like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. As always, remember guys, keep ascending. And also I want to say thank you to my niece and my brother for getting in and helping me out a bit, because it took a while for me to do one tire. It took me 20 minutes to do one tire. And also want to thank Triston for being a camera guy here, and also provider of the music that you guys hear on the time lapse. So yeah, so peace.